How to check logged in devices on your Gmail application in mobile. So first you'll need to open up Gmail and then hit the profile logo on the top right, and then click on manage your Google account, and then click on security and sign in, and then scroll down on this page to the bottom right here where it says your devices, and from here you should see a list of devices that are currently connected to your Gmail account or Google account. And from here, if you see a device that you don't recognize, or if you want to sign a device out of your Google account, you can simply click on the device like this, and then click on the device again on this page. And then you can just hit the sign out button, and that should sign out the device immediately. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.